Hello, hello. Let me bring you into the light so you can see all this glory. Oh, look at me. I am purple. So I am Ursula, Little Mermaid. My husband did not know who Ursula was or what I was. So I guess he needs to watch The Little Mermaid, don't you? Did you just eat cheese? Are you eating cheese? Are you seeing her? She's eating cheese. Well, for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Nicole Cheney, and I'm coming live at you from Ontario, Canada, while my little girl is stealing the cheese for supper. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing that? Mm. So when you pop on this live, you can drop me a 1. If you're watching the replay, you can drop me a 2. And if you're new to my crazy little show, you can put new in the comments. One more piece, and then that's it. Okay, there you go. There you go. Okay, so we're gonna be making some creamy creamy broccoli with bacon. Okay, look, Daddy's got more cheese. And we're gonna be doing it all on the stovetop, so it's gonna be a little bit darker because my light here is broken. So bear with me, okay, guys. So let's get you back on here. All right, so you can see let me just angle you down. You can see my frying pan. There we go, okay? There you go. Okay, there, you can see it better. You can see this frying pan, you can see that one. Okay, so basically all I've done before this video is I've cooked the bacon. Okay, I fried up the bacon, and I have melted butter in this frying pan. And that's all I've done. Well, it's not completely melted, but it's melting. It's melting. So this is going to be one of your easier meals to make, quickest meals to make. So if you're in a rush, this is like the meal for you, okay? Okay. There you go. There's a lot of you popping on. Who's all keto here that's popping on? Huh? Who's all keto? I personally have been keto for, geez, how long has it been? 18 months. 18 months? 18 months. I want to say 18 months of keto. It's getting close to 2 years. That's all I know. And I'm keto. My family's keto. Kids are keto. We're all keto here. Okay. So what I like to do is I like to show you guys how to make meals that are quick and easy and family oriented that the kids might like. That is, if you're a busy mom or in a rush, like I am all the time. These are quick, simple, easy things to make. For your whole family that they will enjoy, okay? Because who doesn't love bacon? All right, so now that the butter is melted, so I have this is 2 heads of broccoli, which is about roughly 3 cups, okay? Now, if you can't follow the measurements, don't you worry. I just realized I didn't put the link above, but after this video I'm going to put the link above to the written recipe. Okay, so you can actually grab it up there. I know I spent all this time making sure you had the written recipe this morning, and like typing it all up and everything. I didn't even put it up top. It's just been one of those days. It's been one of those days. Because tomorrow we're heading to Toronto, and the highway's been closed for over a day. So we're worried that it's going to take a little bit longer to get to Toronto, but hopefully it's not. There was a huge explosion. I don't know if any of you guys are around me in Kingston area. There was a huge explosion on the highway. It completely like shut down the highway in Kingston because they have to repave it. That's how bad the explosion was. They have to repave it because the pavement came up and everything. Right? And the divider's gone and all that. They had to redo it all. It was a bad accident. No one got hurt. Well, people got hurt, but no one died. Thankfully during it. But it was a huge explosion. Yeah. So today's been a little crazy. Okay, so we're doing this here. We got the butter and the broccoli. Okay. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the cream sauce with the broccoli. Okay, have any of you guys made a cream sauce before for keto? I love cheesy cream sauces, love them. We do them with like a makeshift alfredo pasta and stuff. Oh, shrimp, oh god, so good. But this one is really good, okay? So you're going to take some heavy whipping cream. Okay, this is the one that we can get at the store here. I don't know what your brand is because I know it's different in all different countries because of the milk stuff. So, but heavy whipping cream, all right? And this is 1 cup of it, and I'm just going to pour it all in there, okay? Heavy whipping cream. All right. Then we're going to take half a cup of mozzarella cheese, sprinkle it all in, okay? And then we're going to take some Parmesan cheese, and I'm going to sprinkle that in. Oh, that was just like a big clump that should not be in there, okay? And then what we do is we mix this up with the broccoli, and it's going to melt and become this like creamy, cheesy sauce on top of your broccoli, okay? All right, and then we're going to add a couple spices to it, and it's just going to be perfect, okay? Now remember, if you're just popping on, if you've missed a little bit of it or you're worried about measurements and writing it all down, don't worry, okay? I forgot to put the link this time, but there's going to be a link above that you can get this recipe. And what's really cool is I made it into like a recipe card. You can actually print it off and make like little books. I have all my recipes, which is really cool, okay? It's completely free to do that. And also, when you go on to my blog up there, you can get a 30-day free keto meal plan, and it comes complete with recipes as well. So if you're just starting out, you don't really know where to go or what to do, what to feed your family, all those recipes on that 30-day meal plan are my family favorites, okay? So the kids love it, okay? I got like cake batter cereal on there, Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal on there. I got cream cheese stuffed chicken. I got stuffed avocados for breakfast. I got pancakes, bagels. Okay, hey Sydney, how's it going? Okay, like I got you covered because I know the hardest thing to eat is breakfast on keto because you think it's just bacon and eggs. Okay, no, I expand it on those on the meal plan so you have a big variety of stuff to eat for breakfast. Okay, that's like a big thing, and I actually don't think I ever repeat on a day. So every day you're eating something different, which is really cool. Okay, so it's just something that you can use as a guideline, and you have all the recipes for it. Look, she's popping her head up. Did you eat it all? The star of the show right there. Not the cheese, the kid. Okay, so now it's starting to get warm. This is what you want, okay? So it's starting to get warm, starting to get cheesy. I'm going to angle you guys down. So this is what it looks like, okay? The cheese is starting to melt. It's all starting to get warm. I'm sorry, I have my twisty pan here, okay? So this is what it looks like. You want that cheesy creaminess, okay? That is what you want. That is what you want, okay? And then what you want is to add your, of course, pink Himalayan salt, because you add that to everything. We are keto, okay? So we add our pink Himalayan salt. Okay, we add our little bit of black pepper here. Okay, and then we're gonna add a bunch of garlic to this, okay? Because this is really good with garlic. So that's garlic powder right there, okay? So now that you got the spices in, it's starting to get warm. It's nice and cheesy, okay? What you do now is you add the cooked bacon into it at this step, okay? All right. Okay. There you go. And then you stir this in. Okay, you stir it in. And then what you can do is if you want to walk away from it, what you can do is you can actually put it in a casserole pan, put it in the oven at 350 for like 10 minutes, and it'll cook the rest of it out. If you're kind of here in the kitchen like I'm going to be, all I'm going to do is put this on simmer, put a lid on top of it. It's going to take about 10 more minutes to cook, and then the broccoli's going to be cooked all the way through. And that's all you're really waiting for is the broccoli get cooked through. Isn't that really cool and easy? Like, this is like the easiest thing ever, right? Right? To make. But that's what we like here. They're quick, easy meals that the kids are going to love, okay? My girls love broccoli, and they love peppers. So we do this with broccoli, and we also do it with peppers mixed in too sometimes. Green peppers. So that's also another option of how you can do this as well. There you go. So I'm just going to grab my lid, plop it on, and wait for the broccoli to cook. And then I will be done. We'll be able to serve it, okay? So that's the meal. If you enjoyed this and you think someone else is going to like this recipe too, like, please feel free to pass this along. You have my permission. If you want to keep seeing these Halloween looks and which one I'm going to do next, okay? Because I'm freaking purple today, guys. All right? You could hit me in the face. Hit, and in this corner there's gonna be 3 little dots. You click on it, you go follow C first, and you'll never miss one of my videos, okay? It's crazy up in here. We do like different things. I'm always cooking. I'm always showing you how to cook. So you can do that, okay? It's only what, day 11 out of 30. Is it? No, day 12, sorry. Day 12 out of 31 days of Halloween stuff, guys. So I got lots and lots and lots coming towards you guys, okay? But I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It's probably going to be late at night because we are doing the Toronto trip. So just so you guys are prepared, it's going to be a late one tomorrow. Oh, she's popping up. Pop, pop goes the weasel. Are you going to say hi? Come here. I can see you right there. You gonna say hi? Hi. You want to say bye? Because I'm gonna say bye now. Bye. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Bye.